Social Security increases for 2024 through the cost of living adjustments are shocking to say the least. Many people are not happy about it, and with these big changes coming in 2024, some are saying it is simply not enough. We take a look at this article right here. Social Security, nearly 2/3 of seniors are unhappy with 2024 COLA. 3 reasons it's financially inadequate. Also, when it comes to not being financially inadequate, some of the inflation prices are 2 to 3 times more of the adjustment, the measly adjustment that Social Security recipients are receiving. We take a look at this article too as well. 2 major Social Security changes in 2024 may surprise many Americans. So you're not going to want to miss these changes that are happening and the reasons that the COLA is not inadequate. Stick around. I'm going to give you these updates as well as a few other important updates. So if you're on SSI, SSDI, any type of Social Security check, if you're one of the 70 million people receiving Social Security checks, you're not going to want to miss this, as I got a lot of important updates and some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. And this video is sponsored by my company, Wise Sense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, got my details down in the description below. All right, let's get into it here. There's a big problem with the 2024 Social Security COLA, the cost of living adjustment. What is that problem? Let's take a look at another headline here. Even after a Social Security COLA boost in 2024, seniors will fall short. Here's why. Seniors are not too happy about what's going on. It is not enough. Take a look at another one right here. Social Security, nearly 2/3 of seniors are unhappy with 2024 COLA. 3 reasons it's financially inadequate. Let's dive into this one right here. With surveys that have been going around, basically saying that it is not enough. So you can see, I'll start right here. Housing, motor vehicle insurance, the cost of hospitals and care of invalids at home. These are the savings draining black holes even when inflation is low, according to the Senior Citizens League. Yet these are the very categories seeing the most persistent and painful inflation right now. More than 2/3 of older adults polled by the Senior Citizens League said their monthly budget for essential items such as housing, food, and prescription drugs is 10% higher now than it was a year ago. If it's 10% higher and there's only a 3.2% increase, that's 3 times as high. The costs are 3 times as high as the payments. Something's wrong here. Then a separate survey conducted by public interest law firm found that 62% of seniors collecting Social Security benefits are dissatisfied with the 3.2% COLA for 2024. Nearly 3 in 5 seniors collecting Social Security are struggling financially, according to the survey, while nearly 2 in 5 plan to seek employment due to modest 2024 COLA increase. So if you're retired, you should stay retired. You shouldn't have to try to find a job because of the government not taking care of our most vulnerable Social Security recipients. It doesn't make any sense. The annual Social Security COLA is intended to help seniors deal with rising consumer prices. It is based on the percentage increase in the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. So it is not doing its job, which is supposed to keep up with consumer prices, especially since I just said it's 10%. The cost is 10% higher than last year. A COLA of 3.2% would add an extra $57 a month to the average Social Security retirement benefit, which was $1,797 a month as of November 2023. So it won't cover price increases. Let's get into the reasons here. So it won't cover price increases. The Senior Citizens League noted that prices for several essential budget items are rising at a much faster rate than 3.2% based on data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Here's a look at some of those items and their inflation rate compared to last year. Motor vehicles insurance up 19.2% from a year ago. Outpatient hospital services, up 7.3%. Rent, up 6.9%. Homeowners costs, up 6.7%. At-home invalid care, up 6.5%. You can see prices are going much higher for seniors and Social Security recipients. Then we have many seniors already struggling financially. Although the annual COLA is supposed to provide a financial boost to help Social Security recipients deal with inflation, many are behind financially to begin with, and a 3.2% COLA will do little to change that. The survey revealed, saying that almost 60% of seniors are already report financial difficulties with their current Social Security benefits. 70% of single seniors struggle financially with their existing Social Security income, and nearly 40% of seniors plan to find work due to the modest COLA increase. So yeah, still more problems there. And then higher Medicare premiums will cut into COLA. When Medicare Premium Part B goes up, the COLA impact goes down, and that's what will happen in 2024. In October, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services said the standard monthly premium for Medicare B will be $174 in 2024, up from $164 this year in 2023. So you can see that prices are going up. Seniors, not in the best financial situation to begin with, and yet the measly 3.2% is simply not enough. When it comes to other changes happening with Social Security, two major Social Security changes in 2024 may surprise many Americans. So let's get into those changes. One, Social Security benefits will get an above average cost of living adjustment in 2024. As we just said, it isn't too above average, especially since the costs for living are up 10% higher than just a year ago. So this is talking about the 3.2% there. You could see for retired workers getting an average increase of $59 in 2024, spouses $28, and disabled workers $48. Then number two here, some workers will pay more in taxes into Social Security program in 2024. So according to a nationwide retirement survey, 74% of surveyed adults incorrectly agreed with the statement, workers pay Social Security taxes on all of their income. That misconception is understandable because Social Security is primarily funded through a dedicated payroll tax, and common sense says that tax should apply evenly to all income. So basically, you can see here the cap for 2024, you only pay up to $168,600. Compared to 2023, it was $160,000. They've been saying that they wanted to bring that up a lot higher, maybe up to $400,000. Some are even saying no cap at all. Although this has been spoken about a lot, and rich people are powerful enough to lobby those to say, hey, let's just keep it at $168,000. So yeah, that's the look. It's basically saying that extra $8,000 is what it's going to cover, but that's a very small percentage of the population making that much to begin with. So yeah, that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I just want to tell you that you should always be grateful what you have. Karma is the one that, so like karma, if you give things out to the world, it comes back to you. Like if you have a friend that is really special to you and you give them a gift and they give you back a gift. That's what karma is all about.
Some Social Security recipients received $1,800 checks. If you're curious who, you're going to want to click this video over here. And also in this video, you're going to hear from a Senate Republican talking about the plan for Social Security. You're not going to want to miss that. Click that video now, and I'll see you in that video. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.